Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. 7 benefits of the keto diet. When you hear about the ketogenic diet, the first thing you perhaps think of is what could possibly make it as good as people say. The answer is, there are enough benefits to change your life. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? The keto program recommends a diet that is low on carbs, moderate on protein and high in fat. The idea is to fine-tune nutritional intake in order to send the body into the metabolic state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has stores of glycogen sugar to fuel its energy needs. With sugar out of the way, the body has no choice but to tap its stores of fat to get by. The liver converts fat reserves into ketones to present to the body as an energy source. This is why the keto program is a good way to lose fat. Number 1. Weight loss. Without a doubt, weight loss is the primary goal of the keto diet. It works because it makes the body look to its fat reserves to power its metabolism. It can be interesting to go deeper into the process, however. When the body is deprived of carbs, it enters a state of ketosis. Blood sugar and insulin levels fall when that happens. As the body taps the energy in fat cells, they release considerable quantities of water, making for some great weight loss. The fat cells are then able to enter the bloodstream and make their way to the liver, where they are turned into ketones for energy processing. As long as your diet allows you to stay in a caloric deficit, you get to enjoy the weight loss benefits of the keto diet. Number 2. It takes the edge off your appetite. When your diet isn't heavy on carbs, you'll find that you don't crave as much food as before. Many people who get on the keto diet are able to fast most of the day and only eat at meal times. They are simply not as hungry as before. Number 3. Improved ability to focus. When you choose a regular diet that puts carbs into the body, your brain has to deal with the rise and fall in sugar levels that happens as a result. Inconsistent energy levels can make it hard for the brain to focus. With the keto diet, however, the energy source is constant and consistent. The brain is better able to stay focused. Number 4. You feel more energetic. When you are on a regular diet, your body is always on the verge of running out of energy. You need to constantly eat and refuel. With a keto diet, however, the body taps its fat reserves, a nearly unending energy source. The body, then, is able to maintain constant energy levels throughout the day. The result is, you end up feeling a lot more energetic. Number 5. The keto diet helps fight diabetes. When you suffer from type 2 diabetes, your body experiences high levels of insulin. Since the keto diet takes excess sugar from your diet, it helps stabilize HbA1c counts and reverse type 2 diabetes. Number 6. You get improved levels of good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps get rid of the body's bad cholesterol reserves. When you're on keto, your body's triglyceride levels fall and your HDL cholesterol levels rise. Number 7. You get improved blood pressure. When you're on the keto diet, it drops your blood pressure. Many people on the keto diet find that they are able to stop taking blood pressure medicine altogether. The keto diet can change a person's life. It isn't a difficult diet to get on either. There are plenty of great recipes for the keto diet. All it takes is the willingness to give it a shot. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your custom keto diet today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.